Paano ba mag-conduct ng accident investigation? Here are the 5 steps for incident investigation para sa mga safety officer natin. First is immediate response and secure the scene. Immediate response meaning in case meron tayong injured person, kailangan nating mag-responde. But first thing first is yung safety ng tao magre-response. Let's say yung workers natin, yung ating supervisors, yung ating first aider, kailangan make sure na yung scene or yung area is safe para sa kanila bago sila mag-respond dun sa insidente. Kung safe your area, of course, we have to provide first aid and call medical services or ambulance for further medical assistance. Secure the scene, kailangan nating i-secure yung area kung pwede nating lagyan ng barricade or caution tape or warning tape para at least meron tayong mga makuhang information para hindi masyado magalaw yung mga evidences natin. Number 2 is collect evidence and gather information. Sa pag-collect ng mga evidence, there's a lot of ways para mangolekta ng mga ebidensya, kagaya na lang ng photographs, pictures, CCTVs, collecting some document records. Reviewing the witness, yan ang isa sa napakahalaga. Kung may mga tao nakakita ng insidente, pwede tayo mag-gather ng information, kuha tayo ng information sa kanila, interviewin natin. But first, we have to say the purpose of our action, why we are doing the investigation, why we are doing an interview with them. And of course, the IP, the injured person. Collecting records, pwede tayong mag-check ng maintenance record, training records, certifications, yung mga and manuals na related dun sa incident, lahat ng records related dun sa incident para dun sa pag-identify natin ng root cause. Number 3 is analyze the incident. Dito kailangan na nating i-determine yung sequence ng event na nagresulta dun sa incidente. Identify natin yung mga hazards, yung mga unsafe act, yung mga unsafe conditions na related dun sa ating incident. The goal is not just to identify how it happened, but why it happened. 4 is determining the root cause and contributing factors. Dito pwede natin i-separate yung immediate cause, underlying cause, and yung root cause natin. And there's a lot of ways to identify root cause. Isa na nga dyan is yung why analysis, yung 5 why or fishbone analysis na tinatawag. You can use 4M or yung man, machine, method, materials. Tingnan natin kung may mga failure ba sa ating procedures, yung tao ba is may training ba siya, updated ba yung ating certifications, meron bang maintenance na ginagawa. The goal is to identify the root cause. Ano ba yung pinaka sanhi nung insidente. Number 5 or last part is reporting the findings and implement corrective actions. Now we identify the root cause, we can use hierarchy of controls para dun sa ating corrective actions. Keep in mind na hindi lang isa yung root cause ng mga insidente, maaaring marami. And corrective action can be many, not only one. Doesn't mean that na-identify mo yung isang root cause, you will provide one corrective action. Recording findings, of course, kailangan nating i-document yung ating insidente. It's a formal records para sa organization. Also be a requirement dun sa ating clients or the local requirements kung saan mang bansa ka nagtatrabaho. Also, it can be used for insurance claims or insurance audit. And also, we have to track the corrective action. So, meron tayong incident register or corrective action register para sa lahat ng inyong mga observation, incident, audit items. Pwede nyong ilagay doon and matrack nyo kung naka-close ba yung mga item. But the real challenge is how effective yung ating corrective action. So, yun yung pinaka-main part, yung pinaka-end part na kailangan nating i-monitor or i-check kung effective ba yung ating corrective actions. Kung may real improvement ba na nangyari dun sa ating site or dun sa ating project. So yan ang 5 steps to incident investigation. Sana may natutunan kayo. And remember that every incident is a lesson. Share mo tong video na to sa mga kasamahan mo, kahit hindi safety officer, yung mga supervisor, yung mga engineer, para may idea sila kung ano ba yung step-by-step process na ginagawa natin pag merong nangyaring insidente. Good luck and have a safe day.